For babies, the water offers them a multisensory experience where, when safely secured in a bath seat or tub, they can explore the temperature of the water, the sensation of the bubbles and the cause and effect of splashing. It's also a great time to introduce colors and counting with toddlers and reciting their favorite nursery rhymes. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you top 5 baby bath toy 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Dinosaur brand. This bath bubble toy is made of ABS material and uses a skin-friendly polishing process 360-degree no edges and corners design. Don't worry about your baby getting hurt. The bath toy bubble maker uses a cute cartoon dinosaur design and catch kids' eyes easily. It's no longer difficult to get your kids to bathe. You only need to attach the dinosaur bubble toy to the wall and press the switch to spit out a long line of bubbles, giving your baby a bubble blast, and the toddlers will love chasing around the bubbles. UST need a button, automatically blow out countless bubbles. The toy also built in music. It can effectively pacify the baby bath resistance. Let your baby in the bath at the same time feel the fun of bubbles and music. Number 4 in our top is from the TI2 brand. Bath time will be your baby's happy time from now on. Simply pour water into the smiling cloud, then the water flow will push rotating gear, and there will be rain under the clouds. The mushrooms will grow taller slowly under the water, finally forming a small beautiful waterfall that will grab your toddler's attention. Made of skin-friendly ABS material, thickened plastic that is not easy to break, no batteries are required. All edges and corners are well crafted into smooth and round. Bright color and cute cartoon design are always the favorite choice of children. 3 suction cups at toy's backside could attach firmly onto the bathtub, glass, or smooth wall. The great suction power prevents bath toy from falling off. Convenient, play it on any smooth places and reattach it anytime. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Holy Fun brand. The star can be rotated by pouring water into the left side of the tub, whereas the sun is rotated by pouring water into the right wing of the tub. Continuously adding water can stimulate the duckling move upwards and downwards. Kids can have an amazing fun time by sticking the slide on the tile or the bathtub and putting the ducks into it. Upon doing that, the ducks speedily move from the top of the slide into the bathtub. Just turn the knob in a clockwise direction and the duck bath toy will swim in the water with its little arms. The rainbow bath toys are made of non-toxic and environmentally friendly ABS materials. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the Dowellin brand. The bath toy for toddlers is waterfall station toy with rotating eyes, pipe outlet, rotary gear, and rotating propeller functions. Fill, flow, and spin. Kids can play game by themselves when taking a bath. The bath toy is also an excellent learning gift for kids, to help in the development of mental and coordination abilities of kids. The bath toy is made of durable plastic material and BPA-free bath toys, environmental protection, safe and entertaining bathtub toy for 1, 2, 3, 4-year-old boys and girls. The edges of bathtub toy are smooth and well finished. The bathtub toy has 2 strong suction cups at backside. Just attach the suction cups on the tub or smooth wall in bathroom. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the Dowellin brand. Each toys have holes to drain water out, great shower gifts for kids. Throw away your rubber squirt water toys. Just imagine how dangerous if a toy gets dirty or paint off, but your kid keeps it in mouth. At first, they falls in love with scooping the fish up with fish net. And then try to hook fishes or crab, which will strengthen kids' confidence and patience and developing the hand-eye coordination and body balance ability. The fish and crab can spout water when you squeeze it, help to make bath time enjoyable. These baby bath toys are great for in or out of the water. Toddlers can play it in bathtub, pool, beach, or on the floor. Which bath toy would you like to buy for your baby? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.